Hello traders, I'm Ignat Bersenko and this is WaveTrading, and just before we start I want to show you that I've published some Elliott wave theory on TradingView, so you just need to go to my profile here and then you can see this. It's a white chart, so you can open it and then use this tag to open all charts I've posted here. And I'm going to post even more, I think one chart per day. So I'll cover whole Elliott wave theory, I think, in about 2 months. And if you like this, just like it here. Because if I see here more likes than I've got now, I'll know that it's a good thing for you. And let's start with dollar index, because I've got here a very bullish moment and there's an opportunity to have an extension in a third wave here. So I've got 4 long trades and I'm going to buy even more during this impulse. And Dow index is just amazing. Just look at this wave 3 inside wave 5. So I've got 5 long trades so far and I'm going to close this one because this impulse is likely going to end soon, and I'm going to leave 4 trades, but I'm going to move this stop a little bit higher, I think here, and these stops also could be moved, for example, here. And the last one. And the same story on Nasdaq, because we also can have here wave 3 inside wave 5, but here I've got just 1 long trade and I can move my stop loss here. So when we see here a correction wave 4, I'm going to buy more. Also, I've got one short trade on pound, where I've got here a very crazy correction in wave B or X, which is taking form of a double zigzag like WXY. So it means we can have here a zigzag in wave Y, which contains an impulse in wave A and another impulse in wave C. It seems like we've got a wedge here on euro dollar. So this wave 5 is likely going to be continued soon, and I've got here just one short trade, and I really don't like this last upward movement, so I didn't sell more here, just one trade. And there's a bullish revenge on Japanese yen, because this wave count is still alive, and as you can see here, the critical level, it's alive as well, so we've got a bullish impulse, which could be wave 1, so I'm just waiting when this local correction ends, and when it happens, I'm going to buy more to trade this possible wave 3. And just have a look at the Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar, cause it seems like we've got here a new bullish impulse, which could be wave 1 inside the bigger wave 5, and this small correction could be ended here. So I've opened a long trade with a stop loss at the nearest critical level. However, this wave 2 could be continued, so if the price breaks this level, I'll be out of the market until wave 2 ends. And also I've got one long trade on euro pound, and I'm going to buy even more on the current correction, which could be wave 2. And it seems like wave 3 on pound versus franc has been started, so I'm going to move this stop loss here, the nearest critical level, and then I'm going to sell more on this current correction, which could be wave 2 inside this wave 3. I mean, it could be like this: wave 1 here, wave 2 is going here, and then wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5 arrives here. And Australian dollar drives me crazy really, because it's very difficult piece of chart. So I've got here just one short trade, and I'm not going to sell more until we see here a small bearish impulse inside this possible wave 3. And I'm out of the market on gold, because it's very likely that we've got here a wedge, which could be wave 1 or wave A, we just don't know. And here there's a bearish impulse, which could be wave 1, I mean this wave 1 inside this wave A. So this upward movement could be wave 2, which means bears are likely going to deliver wave 3 very soon. But I'm not going to trade this movement because it's very risky. And the last part of this video is shares. So I've got 2 long trades on McDonald's, and it seems like this wave 3 is likely going to be continued, so I'm keeping my trades. And I still don't have any trades on Goldman, because today we've got a gap here, and now it's very risky to open a long trade because this correction, which could be wave 2, I mean the last upward movement, is likely wave 1 and this correction is likely wave 2. So if tomorrow the market opens without any surprises, I'm going to buy. And I'm holding my long trades on Facebook, and this wave 3 could be continued, so I'm going to move my stop losses even a little bit higher, I mean here. And then I'm just waiting for a new high. And Apple is still rising, and it's likely that this wave 3 is going to be continued, so I'm keeping my new long trade, which I opened yesterday. And it seems like we've got here a small wave 5 inside this wave 3, so when this impulse ends, I'm going to close my trades. So that's all for today's video. Have a good day and profitable trades. Take care and bye bye. See you on Saturday.